Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and a heat gun. Make sure you have a clean workspace and the replacement screen ready to go. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 530S and unplugging it from any power source. Next, remove the screws on the back cover using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic prying tool to gently lift the back cover off the laptop. Be cautious around the edges to avoid damaging any clips or connectors. As you work, make sure to take your time. Rushing can lead to unnecessary damage. With the back cover removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure safety while working on the device. If you're unsure about any of these steps, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, which can help you understand the issue better before proceeding. Next, you'll see the display assembly. Remove the screws securing the screen hinges. Keep the screws organized as you'll need them later. After removing the screws, gently lift the screen from the base, taking care not to pull any cables too hard. Once the screen is free, disconnect the video cable. This is typically a flat cable that can be gently pulled away from the motherboard. If you have trouble disconnecting it, you might want to use a little heat from your heat gun to soften any adhesive that might be holding it in place. Now, take your new screen and align it with the hinge brackets. Reconnect the video cable securely to the motherboard. This is a crucial step. Ensure it's connected firmly to avoid display issues later on. After securing the connections, lower the screen into place and reattach the screws that hold the hinges. Be sure to tighten them evenly to prevent any warping of the screen. Once the screen is in position, reconnect the battery and test the display before putting the back cover on. Power on your laptop to check for functionality. If everything looks good, proceed to replace the back cover by aligning it properly and firmly pressing it into place. Don't forget to reinsert and tighten all the screws you removed earlier. If you find yourself struggling with any part of this process, or if you'd like to avoid the hassle entirely, remember that we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about any calls or travel. You can also get a quote before repair to ensure you know the costs up front. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 530S one last time to ensure everything is functioning correctly. If the screen lights up beautifully, congratulations! You have successfully replaced your screen. If you encounter any issues, please feel free to reach out for assistance. Enjoy your refreshed laptop display. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.